Dawn breaks over the peaceful forest. Cleo prepares for a new day of adventures. A faint sound catches Cleo's attention. Following the distressed squeaks, Cleo investigates. A helpless turtle lies upside down, legs waving frantically. The turtle struggles far from water and safety. With gentle precision, Cleo helps the turtle. Cleo decides to help the dehydrated turtle. The journey begins toward the distant river. A fallen branch blocks their path. They struggle through thick undergrowth. A hawk circles overhead, eyeing the small turtle. At last, they reach the sparkling river. The turtle pauses, seeming to thank its savior. With newfound energy, the turtle enters the water. Cleo watches her friends swim away. A small act of kindness completes a perfect day.